Hi friends, my name is Raf. Today we are continuing our Python playlist. Our today's topic is operators in Python. It is a very important topic. Let's start. First of all, we need to open Jupyter notebook. Yeah, that's why open your terminal and type Jupyter -left, then press enter. Then your Jupyter will be open. Then create a Python file, a Python 3 notebook. Yeah, let's start. You need to know, with operators you can apply simple operations in various data. On various data. Usually we have three operators. First, arithmetic operators. First arithmetic operators, then second relational operators, then third logical operators. Let's start with the first operator. Our first operator is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic arithmetic operators, arithmetic operators. Yeah, then run it. Then our then we need to know what are arithmetic operators. Plus, yeah, comma, minus, not underscore, minus, comma, slash or division, comma, multiply or into. This four is our arithmetic operators. These four are called arithmetic operators. Yeah, on it. Yeah. Let's do some simple operations. First of all, create a variable a equals to. In a, I want to store 10 or an integer number, and b, I store 20. Yeah, 20. Run it. Then print a comma b. Then run it. A comma b, 10 and 20. Then our operation will be start. Our first operation is what will be happen if we type a plus b. Obviously our output is 30 because a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. A plus b is 10 plus 20 is 30. That's why our output is 30. Then our second operation is a minus b. Then our output will be 10 because 10 minus 20 is minus 10. Yeah, 10 minus 20 is minus 10. Then if we type A into B, then run it, A into B, then our output will be 200, because 20 into 10 is 200. Yeah. Then our fourth and last operation is A divide by B. Then our output will be 0.5 or 0.5. Yeah. These operations are called arithmetic operators. Yeah. Then our second operator is relational operator. Yeah. Not operators, relational operator. That's why type slash, then type relational operators, operator, run it. Then we need to know what are relational operators. Type another slash, then type less than, comma, greater than, comma, double equals to, comma, not equals to, or exclamation mark and equal. This sign means not equals to. Yeah. These four are called relational operators. Let's implement them. First, relational operators. First, at this time, in A I store 50. Then in B I store 100. Yeah. B I store 100. Then run it. Then print A, comma B, 50 and 100. Okay. Then if we type A bigger than B, then our output will be false, because A or 50 is not bigger than 100. Sorry, greater than 100. A greater than, not bigger than, greater than. A 50 is not greater than 100. Okay. Then if we type B greater than A, then our output will be true, because B 100 is greater than 50. Then if we type A greater than B, A greater than B, then our output will be true, because A 50 is less than, A less than B, then our output will be true, because A 50 is really less than 100. Yeah. Then if we type B, okay, B less than A, then our output will be false, because B 100 is not less than 50. Yeah. Then if we type A A double equals to B, then our answer will be false, because A 50 is not equal to 100. 50 is not equal to 100. Yeah. Then if you type A not equal to or exclamation mark, then equal to B, then run it, then our output will be true, because A and B are not same. 50 and 100 are not equal. Yeah. These operations are called relational operator. Yeah. Then our third and last operator is logical operator. Logical operator. We have two logical operators. First is AND. Where is AND? AND. Then comma and comma or. And comma or. Yeah, and comma or. Let's implement them. First of all, if we type A equals to true, A equals to true, and B equals to false. A equals to true and B equals to false. Then run it. Then type A comma B to print them. Yeah, true and false. Yeah, true and false. Then let's operate them. Then if we type A and A, run it, then our output is true, because A is true and A is also true. This A is true. Yeah, then A is also true. That's why true equals to true. Then if we type A and B, A and B, then run it, then our output will be false, because A is true but B is not true. B is false. That's why our output will be false. Then if we type B and B, then run it, then our output will be false, because B is false and B is also false. Yeah. Then if we type A, then or B, A or B, then our output will be true, because A is true and B is false. Yeah, that's why our output is true. Then if we type A, then and A or A, then our output is also true, because A is true and A is also true. Then if we type B, then B or B, then run it, our output will be false, because B is false and B is also false. This is very critical. This is a very critical topic. The easy thing is, listen carefully, if you want to, if there are any true, your output will be true. Unit 1, 2, then your output will be true. But if you want to get false in your output, your OR variables will be false. That's all. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates.